Hey guys, Pippi Productions here, and today I'm playing Akinator with my cousin Amy.
Hi!
Okay, so,
Put it on full screen.
Okay. So who are we doing first? Sorry, this happens a lot. So who are we
We'll
doing?
do 9, because...
Are we doing ourselves? Okay.
No, we should do Early Shell Lady.
Nah!
Yes.
Okay, we've already said the age.
Oh, is that our age?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Is your character known for making YouTube videos? Yes. Not known, but does your character make Minecraft videos? No.
Yes, she does. Who are
We're
we
talking
doing?
about ourselves. Yes. Does your character live in America? No.
Well, okay. I don't think it's going to guess us.
Because
we're not famous.
I know. Is your character the boss of an important company? I don't think so. Does your character have big hands? Do we have big hands? No.
No, we're not from
Nope.
Germany. No.
Character from Serbia? No way.
Yeah.
No. I'm not linked with skeletons.
Sorry.
Work at Haha Productions. No, but I do work at Pippi Productions.
It's not really work. She does have a brother.
Yeah. Is your character from Pretty Little Liars? No.
What is that?
I don't know. No, not Team Crafted. No, I don't have a boyfriend. I'm not a gymnast. I'm not Danish. Danish. Is your character the leader of a software company? I don't think so. Does your character wear green?
That's pink, sorry.
Yeah.
She's wearing a green jumper.
Is your character... This isn't a green jumper, it's cyan. Hungarian. No. I like Hungary. It's very hungry. It makes me very hungry.
Light strawberry.
I have no idea how to pronounce that. Of course I have a neck! No!
A Lamborghini. No.
Is your character... no. No!
No.
Yes, continue.
No, he's not gonna guess you.
Yes, he is.
No.
No, because I've done this before. Is your character's work dangerous? No. I don't even work anywhere. Hurry up, Akinator. Oh. Annoying.
A famous.
No.
Not famous.
Yes, of course I'm real. I don't live in America.
You've already asked her that.
Yeah. That happens way too many times. Yes, I do make YouTube videos. From the Balkan region. I don't think so. Famous for playing video games on YouTube.
Not famous exactly.
I don't play video games. Is it a girl? Am I an it? No! You've asked me that 3 times. No.
Cousin?
Wait, yes, I do have a sister.
Pippi.
It's Pippi. My little sister. My little puppy sister. No! I don't. No. I wish. No. 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 Yeah. No. No.
I've
been to France, but I haven't lived in France, so no. No. Yes. Why don't you tell me how long my tail is?
3 meters, 0.5.
So yes. Yes. I'm a dinosaur. No.
Yes.
No. No. Is your character's mother? Yes. Yes.
You.
Yeah. I'm a monkey though.
Yes. Okay, I want to do Early Show Lady.
Okay, Elder Show Lady. Guess what? That's all. Okay. Yes, she is. I know everything about her. Don't think so.
Right, I don't know that, but I don't even know what that is, so don't blame me.
It's a region. Balkan region.
Oh, I don't care.
Oh, yep.
Yes. She is, actually.
Click it hard. You're useless. Get off the chair.
My chair.
Ah! Yeah!
Yes! Wait, yes.
Loading.
Yes.
Yes, she is English.
No way!
Yes, she is.
Oh, no, that's Dan TDM.
Yeah. Yeah. Future diary.
Don't know.
Don't know.
Two coloured hair, yes. No.
A red lightsaber. No, she's not married.
Not yet.
Well, not that we know of. Yes. Yes.
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah.
You're magical.
Okay. That was a fart.
Okay,
Amy.
one more.
No. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. This video was not planned out whatsoever, so I hope you like it. Leave a like.